everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Splatoon Bento lunchbox. My son is going to graduate from kindergarten next month, so I wanted to try to make character bento boxes for him before he graduates. But if you follow my Facebook page or Instagram, you know that I'm really busy every day, so I'm not sure if I can make like before. I think I had more time before when they were younger, but now like how crazy time flies and every day is like a blink. So I'm not really sure. Anyway, this idea is very simple. You just need to make triangle shaped onigiri rice balls. No stress in the busy morning. I hope you find this idea helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients to make Splatoon Squid Onigiri rice balls. You don't have to make a whole figure of the squid. Just make the triangle shape and that's it. Easy, right? Cut out Nori seaweed sheet and sliced sheets to make eyes. You can make these before you go to bed. I'm using Deco Furi rice seasoning to color the rice. I always get Deco Furi at 100-yen shop, Daiso. The point here is to measure the rice to make them all the same triangle sizes. Side dishes can be simple as usual, whatever you can make in the morning. Then put the eyes on onigiri rice balls to finish. And now it's done! I have more bento and bento side dishes ideas on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
食べていいですか？
手で食べるの？フォークでもいいよ。
おいしい。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタンを押してね。バイバイ。まだ取らないよ。
はい。あ、そっちのレインボーね。
100万人お願いします。バイバイ。
かわいい。